Okay, you guys, this is Lorie from TMI Gifts. I'm going to make you a loop bow today. You can find all this product that I'm using at tmigifts.com. So I have a 4-inch Dupioni ribbon here with this check in it, a little plaid. I'm just making a loop, a tail on here. So I'm making me one loop. I'm gonna make a tail, and your tails need to be just at various lengths, or if you're just OCD and you want them all of them a certain length, you can do that and measure it out. Okay, so I have a loop here at the top, and then I'm gonna take this pink Dupioni, dovetail the end of that. I'm gonna make me a tail at the top. Just a couple of loops, one at the bottom because I want a long tail at the bottom of it. Dovetail. And then I've got this green crystal shine. Love this. And so I'm going to make another tail at a different length. I'm just going to make one loop because this is called a loop bow, or what I call a loop bow. It's not something that you could, that's big at the top. This is for the long tails to maybe put on a boxwood or a eucalyptus wreath. And then I'm going to do another tail at the top. I'm going to end up with this white Dupioni. A loop at the bottom, a loop at the top, and then one tail at the bottom. I'll come back and cut my dovetails in a minute. And then I'm going to take a zip tie. You can use a Chanel stem if you want to, but I'm using this black zip tie. Put that around there. Run another zip tie at the back so that you can attach it to your wreath. Get that really tight. Cut that zip tie off of there. Let me dovetail the ends of my 1.5 inch ribbon. And then when you attach it to your wreath, you're going to hold it up. You're just going to curl your ribbons down toward you or back. And this is your simple loop